Kifuatacho sasa ni science exhibition. Wanakwenda kuonyesha practical nzuri kabisa. Tuwasikilize hawa wanasayansi wa kesho. Basi kwa heshima yako ndugu mgeni rasmi, niombe tutazame kinachojiri, tuone sayansi ilivyoiva practically hapa Ellen White School, sio kwa maneno tu bali kwa vitendo. Tuwasikilize vizuri hawa wana scientist.
Dear guest of honor, the school manager, the school director, the head teacher, guests, graduates, and my fellow pupils, good afternoon to you all. My name is Dr. Japhet Abigail. Me, together with my team, the Ellen White Young Scientist Group, are in front of you to present for you some nice science facts. But before we start, I would like to introduce this amazing group. I was here since this group was established in the graduation last year, 2024. I have been a member in this group, and I'm very proud being in this group. This group has been divided into two parts, engineers and doctors. I'd like to introduce engineers, then doctors. I'd like to introduce Engineer Mjari Genevieve, Engineer Kihame Nadia, and Engineer Ngede Moses. Then doctors, Dr. Hussein Tatu, Dr. Gerard Faith, Dr. Bilakwate Rebecca, Dr. Elisha Greatness, Dr. Gombat Farhat, Dr. Sakaya Nurhat, Dr. Benson Ikaris, and Dr. Nehemiah Brilliant. Together with me, Dr. Japhet Abigail. Dear guest of honor, the Ellen White Young Scientist Group have a lot of experiments, but today we are going to show you only 3. The first experiment is about the risk of keeping fertilizer in our homes. As we know, fertilizer is used in agricultural activities, but sometimes people put fertilizers in the wrong place. Example, in our rooms, in our kitchens, and in the sitting room. This is not allowed. So today, we'll see the disadvantages and risks of keeping fertilizers in our homes. First, the requirements for this experiment are a piece of mattress, we'll need glycerin and fertilizer. Carefully take the sponge or the mattress, then put the fertilizer on the mattress.
Angalia vizuri hatua kwa hatua. Alafu nini kinatokea?
Then, as you can see, we have a sponge and glycerin. So, as we see, we have fertilizer and the mattress. Then here, we have glycerin. Glycerin is a special oil which people apply on their hands or feet. So, glycerin. So, let's see what will happen if we add the fertilizer on the glycerin. Dear guest of honor, honorable table, and everyone, help us count to 3. Then let's see what will happen. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Let's wait for some time and see what is the reaction.
Yes, mnaona kichotokea?
You can see fire is formed on the other side. Let's wait and see what will happen here.
Usije ukasema kwamba alikuwa na kiberiti, hapana.
Smoke, then fire. Take a picture. This happens in our homes. What will happen? Fire is a very great servant, but a very bad master. It's very bad. It has its advantage and disadvantage. Gives us heat and light. But on the other hand, it can cause destruction of life destruction of properties, and diseases like lung cancer. So, we should learn to keep fertilizers in appropriate areas and not our homes. It is for all of us because each one's life is very important.
Wow.
Dear
Mmepata
guest of honor, we have accomplished experiment number 1. We are going to start experiment number 2. This experiment is about the rocket show. This group is going to involve engineers. And according to my information, these are the first engineers to launch a rocket. So, let's observe carefully what will happen. We'll need a rocket, vinegar. We need a rocket and fuel. Then, after putting all the required ingredients, dear parents, pupils, and everyone, observe carefully on this table. Let us see what will happen. Let's wait and watch what will happen. Launching a rocket is not easy. If you think they failed, then come and try it. So we'll give these people another chance to prove themselves. They'll try it one more time, then we'll see. Everyone observe carefully.
haya, angalieni hapo nini kinatokea. Ehe. Wengine mpishe meza sasa ili watu waone. Pisheni meza watu waone kinachotokea. Vizuri kabisa. Hao ni wanasayansi. Cha kwanza tumeona mbolea ukiweka ndani, alafu bahati mbaya glycerin kaangukia, alafu wewe upo kazini. Utakuta nyumba imeungua, moto unatokea mkubwa sana. Unasema mbona haikuwa shoti ya umeme, ni wachawi? Hapana. Kumbe ni vitu tu umeviweka ndani ambavyo vinasababisha moto. Lakini hapa ni wanasayansi ambao wanarusha rocket. Angalia rocket, mfano rocket ambazo zinarushwa kwenda kule kwenye anga za juu, mwezini na kadhalika. Uone jinsi ambavyo wanasayansi wanafanya. Angalia hapo. Wanakwenda kurusha rocket vizuri kabisa. Twende kazi. Wanasema waazime macho. Hiyo ya kwanza, na kule nako twende.
In the other table,
Tayari.
we don't have a rocket.
Okay. Ukitaka kujua angalau unavyoongea kwa ishara, wanasayansi wanakwenda kwa alama tu. Wale tuliosoma chemistry, si unajua kuna zile alama zile. Ukionyesha tu zile alama unajua haya ni maji, hii ni oxygen, hii ni nini. Wameongea kwa ishara tu, angalia mambo yameenda vizuri. Wanamalizia sasa, wanamalizia, twende. Masai song, get ready. Tupige makofi kwa ajili yao tafadhali.
Dear guest of honor, as you can see, we tried. And now we are going to start the third experiment. The third experiment, we are going to hold fire without getting burnt. So, the requirements for this experiment, we need pure water, we need soap, and flammable perfume with matchsticks. Then, put water in a container, then put soap, then mix it carefully. Then, put perfume. Then hold the bubbles, prepare a matchstick.
I say, piga makofi kwa ajili yao tafadhali.
Let's do that one more time.
Mimi naogopa. Ya mimi naogopa mpaka moyo ulishtuka puu. Umeona Haya, angalia hapo. Angalia vizuri. Wengine pisheni kwa nyuma kidogo. Hiyo.
Before I give the results, I would like to ask a few questions. Did you feel any pain? No. This is because soap is a very good fire resistant. Dear guest of honor, as the Ellen White Young Scientist Group, we would like to end here. We are also sorry for wasting your time, but also next time we promise we'll prepare more experiments. Guests, pupils, and everyone, thank you for giving us your attention, and may God bless you.
Safi sana, piga makofi kwa ajili yao mengi, makofi mengi, safi kabisa. Asante sana watu wazuri nyie. Asante sana watu wazuri, watu wa Mungu. Mungu awabariki sana wanasayansi wazuri. Safi kabisa. Haya, asante. Niwaombe